Hello friends, welcome back. I'm Sneha and today I'll be sharing with you all a secret recipe, a secret beauty mask that my aunt shared with me a couple of weeks back. So I thought of sharing this beauty recipe with you all because this has improved the texture and appearance of my skin to a great extent, and now my face looks more youthful, clear and healthy. So let's find out how you can prepare this beauty mask at home. The first thing that you need is half cup of wheat flour, also known as atta. Wheat flour works wonders for every skin type. It helps in brightening and smoothing the skin by removing impurities and tightening the skin. The next thing that you have to add is 1 teaspoon of normal turmeric, regular turmeric. Turmeric treats acne, exfoliates, rejuvenates, reduces blemishes and gives you clear, healthy, radiant and glowing skin. The next thing that you have to add is 3 teaspoons of honey. Honey revitalizes dull, dry and dehydrated skin, providing a surge of moisture. It tones and tightens the pores, reducing visible aging signs. Then you have to add is half ripe banana. Banana contains moisture, potassium and vitamins, especially E and C, that promotes clear, glowing and youthful skin. The next ingredient that you need is orange. Now this is one of the most important ingredient. So you need the juice of half orange. Orange contains vitamin C, which gives elasticity, strengthen and rejuvenate skin. It also promotes circulation in the skin and give back a healthy color to your skin. And finally add 2 teaspoons of milk. Place all the ingredients into the mixer and grind to get a smooth creamy paste. Transfer the contents into a container. You can store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Not only on your face, but you can also use it on any areas of your body to make it glow and look younger and flawless. So I'll demonstrate it on my hand, and before applying, make sure your face is completely clean. So first apply a thick layer of paste evenly on your face and neck, and then massage for 2 minutes. Then apply some more and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Once the pack dries, wet your fingers and rub in a circular motion. Then rinse off with lukewarm water. And pat dry with a towel. So once you are done, rub a thick layer of aloe vera gel. You can use fresh or ready-made aloe vera gel. This 2-in-1 formula creates instant lightening, fights pigmentation and blemishes, and its anti-aging properties tightens and lifts sagging skin, smooth lines and wrinkles, leaving your skin looking fabulously clean, smooth, ageless and glowing. So use this pack 2 times a week to see amazing results and bring your flawless youthful glow back. So give it a try and share your results with me. And you can also follow me on Instagram, and for more such amazing beauty tips and updates, subscribe to my channel. Take care and bye-bye.